The GAA is locked in several legal disputes over the alleged mis-designation of properties near Croke Park as residential, leaving the association liable for a tax targeting idle land. Shane Phelan reports that 3 sets of High Court judicial review proceedings have been filed by GAA companies over the inclusion of properties on the Joneses Road in Dublin in maps for lands subject to residential zoned land tax. RZLT is an annual 3% tax on the market value of specific serviced, residential or mixed-use zoned land. The tax was introduced in the 2021 Finance Act to increase housing supply, replacing the vacant site levy. In the area around Croke Park, RZLT maps are set by Dublin City Council, and there is a right to appeal designations to Uncomisiún Pleanála. However, the Planning Board rejected exemption applications filed by the GAA companies. Judicial reviews against the Planning Board were initiated in December and January, and are due to be mentioned before the court later this month. One of the cases relates to what is described as a sports compound behind the Croke Park Hotel. According to legal filings, the property is used to store lights used in the management of the pitch at Croke Park, as well as machinery used to maintain the grass playing surface. Despite this, Dublin City Council included the property in its RZLT map.